Hi everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to play this game with the hive patterns and the bumblebee. All right, so let's cut these out and then you'll see what to do. So I'm going to cut them out fairly quickly. So if you need to pause the video, please go ahead and do that. I'm cutting both papers at the same time. And I'm just going around. But if you want to be really precise and just cut the hive like that, following the black line, then you'll definitely want to pause the video because it's going to take you longer to cut. Which is fine, because that means you want to cut it out really, really nicely. But I just want to make sure you know how to play, and then you can go get started on it. So that's why I'm just going a little quicker. So we want to get out all these hives. More. Then I just need this last hive and the bee. There's the bee. Okay, so I have all this extra scrap paper that I'm just going to move off to the side for now. And all of the pictures on the hive are going to match, they're going to rhyme with the word bee. So listen to that, bee. Okay, and then listen to these rhyming words. P. Do you hear how that rhymes? B, P. Let's see what the next one is. B, key. B, key. That rhymes. B, T. B, T. My husband Adam drinks tea every morning. Tea is very delicious. Bee, tree. Bee, tree. That rhymes. Oh, this is a fun thing to do in the winter. Bee, ski. Bee, ski. What's this number? Bee, 3. Bee, 3. Those rhyme. And one more. What's this body part? Bee, knee. Bee, knee. Right. All right, so now look here on the table. I'm going to set out the hives. Now this would be a good game to play with a partner. With mom or dad or a brother or a sister, because it's a hide and seek guessing game. All right, so you're going to have all the hives, and then there's the bee. And one person is going to hide the bee behind a hive, and you're going to see if you can find it. So look away, close your eyes, I'm going to hide it. Okay, now we have to see if we can guess which one it's under. So I can say, bee, bee, where are you? Are you under the pea? No. Right, let's try again. Pick another one that rhymes with bee. Bee, bee, where are you? Are you under the knee? No. Okay, let's try again. Bee, bee, where are you? Are you under the ski? Yes, there it is. Under the ski. All right, and then it would be the other person's turn to hide the bee. See how many tries it takes you to find it. So if I was playing with a partner, it took me 3 times to find the bee. Then see how long it would take your partner. Maybe they would find the bee in only 2 tries, or maybe 5 tries. Who knows? So it will be their turn next. Let's do one more round. So don't look. I'm going to hide it. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Let's see. Bee, where are you? Are you under the key? No. Bee, where are you? Are you under the 3? Let's look under the 3. No. Bee, where are you? Are you under the tree? No. Bee, where are you? Are you under the T? Yes, there it is. BT, BT. So that time it took me 4 tries to find the bee. Now that you know how to play the bee rhyming game, go ask mom and dad or a brother or a sister to play with you and see who can do a really good job of hiding that bee under one of the things that rhymes with the word bee. Okay, have fun. Bye.